There are only 2 pages left on the 2025 calendar, and the last 30 days of your store's sales might easily surpass the previous 3 months combined. So don't slow down now. This is your best chance to capture the highest profit window of the entire year. To help you make the most of the season, from November 11th to December 25th, the Doba annual sale is officially live. With limited time discounts on hot-selling products, you can source at lower costs and secure higher margins. Let's take a quick look at what you shouldn't miss this year. Tired of unreliable suppliers and dealing with angry customers? We're putting our premium suppliers front and center. These are our most trusted partners, vetted for rock-solid fulfillment and quality. This is your chance to build a product line that customers love and trust, cutting down on refunds and headaches. Struggling to find products that actually sell on your platform? Stop the endless scrolling. Jump straight into our preferred sale channels. We've curated collections specifically for TikTok, Walmart, and more. Find products already optimized for your audience, and get your listings live in a fraction of the time. Looking to expand your store but not sure which categories are a safe bet? Dive into our main categories and scale with proven winners. We're talking huge discounts on the hottest markets, find deals up to 42% off in home and lifestyle, grab massive margins with up to 62% off in beauty and personal care, and score big in outdoor and sports and electronics and accessories with savings up to 40% and 51% respectively. It's the smartest way to grow your catalog before the peak season. And if you just need that one viral hit to make your quarter, your secret weapon is the Power Picks collection. This isn't just one list, it's a strategic toolkit designed for every goal. Maximize your returns with our high-profit selection. Launch fast and get sales now with quick win picks. Discover data-backed trends using our AI-powered picks. And create killer social content with our video picks. This is your shortcut to skipping the expensive testing phase and launching a holiday blockbuster with confidence. Backed by 20+ years of supply chain experience, a data system trusted by over 3.2 million sellers, and a reliable, streamlined logistics network, Doba helps simplify every step, from sourcing and listing, to stocking and fulfillment. Head to the Doba homepage now and join the annual sale. Seize the final golden sales window of the year, boost your margins, lower your costs, and set your store up for a strong start in the next quarter.